Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are here for another session of Algebra 2 Help. Today we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing rational functions. Let's get started. First thing, we're going to multiply. With multiplication and division, the only thing you need to worry about is canceling off common factors. If we take a look up top here, we got x minus 3. Although you don't see it in parentheses, it technically is. Same thing with x plus 5. That may help you to write that just so you don't forget. But we're looking for things that cancel out. X minus 3 cancels out with this x minus 3. X minus 5 cancels out with this x minus 5, or x plus 5. So our final answer is 1 over 4 parentheses x plus 3. Now you may be wondering where we get that 1. When you cancel these things out, they turn into 1s. So same thing like 2 divided by 2. We know it's 1 because when you cancel out, it's 1 divided by 1. Alright, next problem. Let's just knock these out of the park. Certain factors don't pop out right away, so you have to do whatever method you're familiar with to factor them. Right here, we're going to pull a GCF of 3 out, so 3x minus 3 divided by x minus 6 multiplied by, this is x, they're both negative, negative 6 and another negative 6. This one, they're both negative as well. It is 8 and 3. So x minus 8, x minus 3. Alright, so here we go. We're going to cancel some stuff off. X minus 3 is cancel out x minus 3. X minus 6, x minus 6. That's it. Final answer. 3 parentheses x minus 6 divided by x minus 8. Alright, moving on. This time we're using a's, no different than x. Let's keep it going. A minus 4 divided by a plus 4 times a minus 4 multiplied by a plus 1 and a plus 4 over a minus 5. Alright. So if you need more help with factoring, take a moment to go look that up until you are familiar with it. These are difference of square problems, some of these, which is why we got the a plus 4 and a minus 4. Alright, cancel stuff off. Here we go. A plus 4, a plus 4, a minus 4, a minus 4. Final answer, a plus 1 over a minus 5. Alright, hopefully you are a pro at multiplication by now. Second step is to divide. Same thing, except we do what we call KCF, which is keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep the first one the same. So x plus 8 over x minus 3 stays the same. Change the sign to a multiplication, and then flip your fraction. So this becomes x minus 1 times x minus 3 on top, divided by 10 parentheses x minus 1.
And you keep change flip before your restrictions.
Yes, to get your restrictions, you need to make it multiplication first. Division does not work. So we'll talk about that here in just a second. Let's actually do it right now. Alright, restrictions. Alright, restrictions are what x on the denominator would make the fraction divide by 0. So over here, we have x minus 3. If x was 3, 3 minus 3 would be 0, and you divide by 0. So x can't be 3. And the same scenario on the other fraction, 1 on the bottom, 1 minus 1 is 0. So those are the two things we cannot have. Alright, the 10 makes no difference. Alright, those are restrictions. And those apply to all the other problems we just previously did as well. I'll make sure to do those as we keep going. Alright, now, cancel things out. X minus 3's, x minus 1, final answer, x plus 8 over 10. And you're done. Alright, next problem. Okay, if it helps you, you can keep, change, flip first or factor first, it makes no difference. I'm actually going to do both at the same time. So the first one factors 2 x. You know what? This is a tough one. Let's do it. 1 times 54 is 54. Factors of 54 are 1 and 54. 2 and 27. 3 and what was that? 18? Alright. That should be it. Now, they are the same, and they're both negative. So, that doesn't work. They don't add up to positive 15.
14. Oh,
Yeah.
9 and 6.
Ah. It's Thursday. I'll blame it on that day. 9 and 6. My bad. See, that's why I got Murray here to help me. Even though she makes a lot of mistakes too. We're all human. Alright. 9 and 6. My bad. Alright. X minus 9 and x minus 6. Divided by... Okay, I can do the next one, Murray. I got it. It's 8 and 6. Got it. Alright. So keep, change, flip. Keep the first one the same. Change the multiplication. Flip the fraction. Alright. Now we are set to just cancel off. Boom. Boom. Final answer. X minus 9 divided by 1. Or you could just say x minus 9. Alright. Alright. Now to redeem myself for the last problem. Alright. Whoa, we got 3 things? Okay. So, with multiplication division, we got to go left to right in order. So, we are going to do these 2 problems first, and then we'll deal with multiplying the last thing. So, what we're going to do, once again, keep, change, flip, and I'm going to factor at the same time. So, x plus 1 times x plus 3 divided by x plus 5 and x plus 2. Change, so keep, change, flip. Okay. Now, if you want to, because this is multiplication, you can go ahead and do the last one at the same time. Just throw that in there. Because once again, all we're doing is canceling things off. Here we go. Cancel all off. We can do it at one time. Because when you multiply fractions, you're just making one long bar, and that's it. So, x plus 3 cancels out with x plus 3. X plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 1, x plus 1. Oh, everything cancels out, so it's left as 1 over 1, or 1, and we're done. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your teacher or rewatch some of these videos. Let us know. We're always here to help you. Alright, have a good rest of the day or night, and study hard for the end of the year testing.